Is the iPhone keyboard too small to type comfortably? Here's the full guide on how to make your iPhone keyboard larger in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Small keys can cause typing mistakes and eye strain. While Apple doesn't have a single keyboard size button, there are a few effective ways to make it larger. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Scroll to the bottom and tap Display Zoom. Select larger text, then tap Set. Your iPhone will restart, and the keyboard will appear bigger. When typing, rotate your phone sideways. Landscape mode makes the keyboard much wider with larger keys. Open the App Store and search for large keyboard apps. Some third-party keyboards offer much bigger keys than the default one. Display Zoom affects the entire system, not just the keyboard. Third-party keyboards may require full access permissions. You can also enable larger text and accessibility to make letters easier to see while typing. Try each method and choose the one that feels most comfortable for daily typing. And that's it. That's the full guide on how to make your iPhone keyboard larger. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.